Based on what we know about the price of Nexo, we think it will cost more than $1.2. According to our Nexo price prediction for 2025, the final fate of the Nexo token is great, and it could make a lot of noise. Our Nexo price prediction for 2030 shows that the coin could be worth $6. Right now, Nexo is worth about 64 cents, which is almost 5 cents less than it was last week. Despite this, Nexo still has a chance to recover and could be worth $2 by 2025. Is Nexo a good bet to make? How high could Nexo ever go? Where can you buy Nexo? Before we get into a point-by-point Nexo figure, we should take a look at the coin's shape. What makes Nexo different? Nexo is a blockchain-based lending platform that gives clients loans backed by digital money. These loans don't require a FICO score, which makes them an attractive option for people with the Nexo platform client store that supports crypto resources for getting a quick loan and 45 or more government-issued forms of money. Check out the full Nexo review here. After keeping up with payments, a credit line opens up and no credit check is needed. Customers can cross from their recognized line to their ledger at any time for their Nexo card. Nexo as a whole is based on two standards. Nexo looks like it will completely change the way payments are made around the world. Choice. One of the most interesting things about Nexo is that it offers free virtual cards that can also be used to change money without limits. These cards can be used for limits. And the best thing for customers is that they can pay in their own currencies. Like other kinds of digital money, Nexo is also very sensitive to changes in value and demand and supply, and it is very weak, even though it is based on blockchain formulas. Experts have different ideas about what Nexo will do in the future. Based on facts, the price of Nexo jumped from 0.558 to 0.987 between April and May of 2018. This was a big jump that showed a lot of early investor interest. However, the price of Nexo stayed flat until September 2020, and then it went up again. Surprisingly, in the coronavirus stage, the data showed that when other currencies did poorly, the Nexo price did well, gaining investor confidence and showing a huge surge in energy. However, in 2022, the price of Nexo was steadily fixed, and it ended the year at 0.622. Starting in 2023, the Nexo token has become a cryptocurrency. Nexo could get back on its feet if it stays above its support of 60 cents. We should find out what crypto experts think about the future of Nexo. The fact that Nexo is listed on most exchanges gives it a manageability edge that affects its value compared to traditional money. How much Nexo costs every month has a 20-day value change of plus 0.43, a 24-hour volume of 3,723,053, and a market capitalization of $359,510,732. There are currently 560,011,011 Nexo tokens in circulation on the world. Based on what we know about the price of Nexo, we expect it to go down. The expected price of Nexo in 2023 is 0.124. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, it could reach 2.06, and if the market experiences a decay, Nexo could gain. The goal might not be reached. The Nexo value forecast. Says that in 2025, Nexo should trade for an average of $1.89 and a low of $1.77. Even though Nexo's cost estimates for 2023 to 2030 are only partly accurate as far as development goes, the long-term outlook for Nexo seems to be good so far. Specialists say that a lot is coming up for people who give money. The price of Nexo could keep going up, crossing 1.2 by the end of 2023 and going up for the rest of the year, with the help of investors and optimistic predictions. Nexo value. What to expect based on our analysis of short TRM and long TRM Nexo price trends. 2023 may not be the best year for Nexo to grow, especially if competitors are getting stronger or markets are doing well. The lowest price for a Nexo unit could be around 60 cents, and the highest price could be around 1.2. Nexo prediction 2024, according to research and Nexo price predictions for 2024. The base price of Nexo is likely to be around 1.15 cents and the highest price could be around 1.32 cents. In 2024, the average cost of transferring money may be $1.23. Nexo value estimate every 20-25 times. As the highest price of Maxo is expected to be more than $2, Nexocoin could check the benchmark year. Definitely, based on what we thought the Nexo coin price would be. Nexo's base expanded cost is estimated to be around 1.5, while its average cost may be around 1.7 by 2025. Nexo price prediction for 2026, based on technical research and past data. We think the price of Nexo could rise to about $3.1 by 2026. The base costs and average prices are each expected to be around $2.3 and $2.7. Nexocoin price prediction 2027. If the rising trend continues, the coin could reach a high of $4.4 in 2027. The highest price of Nexo could be around $3.2, and the average price of Nexo could be $3.5 during that year. Nexo predictions 2028. Based on our Nexo gauge for 2028, the inside and outside highest price of a Nexo token might be around $5.20. In 2028, the base price for Nexo is likely to be around 4.5, and the average price may be around 4.7. Nexo figure 2029. Based on what we expect Nexo costs to be, the token is expected to be worth at least 5.55 Nexo and no more than 6.25 Nexo. Its average value for the whole year could be around 5.9 Nexo value estimate. The Nexo coin is expected to have a big year in 2030, when its value is expected to be at its highest. Payment proposals, real estate deals, and Arthur Hayes' thoughts on the Bitcoin price. Even though there were a lot of interesting things happening in the crypto world on Friday, Bitcoin's price went down a bit, selling at $26,126, a drop of over 1%. In a surprising move, a U.S. presidential candidate has said that he wants to pay his workers with Bitcoin. This adds to the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. The Cayman Islands, on the other hand, are about to start a real estate change by selling homes backed by Bitcoin, which will usher in a new era for buying and selling homes. As these changes happen, Arthur Hayes didn't hold back when he said Bitcoin is the best. U.S. presidential candidate wants to pay workers with Bitcoin. Francis Suarez, the mayor of Miami and a presidential candidate, wants to pay himself with Bitcoin if he wins the presidency. He takes cryptocurrency as part of his pay as mayor,